Hi Jeff, this is Nev. I believe without plans and strategies, goals are nothing but good intentions. So here are my plans for the job at hand. First and foremost, I would like to know all the people that I'm working with, what their roles are, their responsibilities are, and what kind of positions they hold in the organization. I would like to know Jwood business model, who the clients are, where they are, what kind of service we provide them, and who the key people are in the client's organization. I would like to get in touch with the account manager in Atlanta, find out what her expectations are from me, how I can assist her and help her in her day-to-day activities. I would also like to go through all the resumes of all the contractors, find out about their clients, their client managers, what kind of responsibilities they have, how long they have been working for us, what are their billing rates, their visa status, when the contract comes to an end, their contact information. All this information would help me to get to know them a little better before I make the first call. Also, these kind of information are very important because I would need to know these, because these are the contractors I would be talking on an ongoing basis. So these are the people I would be getting in touch all the time. After that, I would talk to the account manager in Atlanta, find out if there's a priority list that I need to follow while making these contacts. For example, if there are contractors who have raised a red flag in the past, if there are contractors who are strategically important to Jwood, people whose contract are coming to an end. If there's no priority list, then I would make a list of my own, depending on the revenue makers for Jwood. For example, the contractors who make the highest revenue would top the list, and thus the list would go on. Now, before I make this call, I would definitely send out an email to all the contractors of an account, asking them what is the best time for me to get in touch with them. Once they give me a time frame, I would call them up one at a time, talk to them, tell them, and introduce myself that I'm the new person on board. Find out about them, who they are, what they're all about, what are their interests, their goals, and everything that they would like to share. Now, before I end the first conversation, I would already set up an appointment for a follow-up call. Now, that call would contain all kinds of concerns, questions, queries that they might have, any which way that we as Jwood can provide them a better service. Now, all this information I would like to put on a spreadsheet with columns like the contractor's name, what are their concerns, their questions, any kind of things that they're happy about or things that they're not too happy about. What that would do is that would help us track from time to time where we stand as far as each contractor is concerned. For example, from one month to the other, we can see if we have made any improvements as far as their concerns are, as far as their questions are. So that would be a good way to track each and every contractor, where they stand in the past, where they stood in the past, where they stand now, and how we can improve in the future. Apart from that, I would also like to color code this spreadsheet. For example, any kind of people or issues that are of concern would be red. So that would indicate that those are the matters that need to be dealt with immediately. Things that are yellow are the things that would need your attention, and things that are green would mean that things are fine for the time being. So what that would do is, if you're in a hurry, the spreadsheet with color coordinated columns and rows would help you decide what are the things that need your immediate attention, so that without having any delays, you can immediately attend to them. Other than that, if there are any issues of significance, I would definitely bring them to your notice or the account manager's notice in Atlanta. Other than that, I would help you welcome new employees on board, review the sign up package, also find out that all the information that have provided us are put accurately in the JMA system. Other than that, if there are any work or any responsibilities that you would think would be fit for me, I would be more than happy to assist you or the account manager in Atlanta. My goal is to make sure that your life and the account manager's life in Atlanta is a lot easier. Also, I would work hard and make sure that I give my best to all the responsibilities that are given to me. I want to prove that I would be a good asset to Jwood in the future, that I would work hard, and that I would be given the opportunity to show that I have the drive, the zeal, the hard work in me to make this a career. Thank you so much.